Welcome to my channel. Have you ever tried to speak English alone and felt stupid or stuck? What if I tell you there is one simple story practice that can change how you speak? English in just 7 days? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to practice English speaking alone, and you will feel the change yourself. Let's start right now. Chapter 1. The problem almost everyone has. Most people want to speak English, but they stay silent. They understand words. They know grammar. But when they speak, their mind goes blank. And here's the strange part. They blame themselves. They say, I am bad at English. But that is not true. The real problem is practice. Or, more clearly, wrong practice. Most people read English. They listen to English. But they do not speak English. And even when they speak, they stop too much. They think too much. They correct every word. Let me ask you something important. When a child learns to speak, do they stop every second? No. They copy, they repeat, they follow sound. But most adults forget this. They try to be perfect. And perfection kills fluency. Here's the shocking truth. You do not need a partner. You do not need a teacher. You do not need confidence first. You need one thing: shadowing. But wait, most people hear this word and feel scared. Don't worry, this is not hard. In fact, it feels like a game. Shadowing means this: you listen and you speak at the same time, like a shadow. But here's the part nobody tells you. Shadowing with random sentences is boring. Shadowing without emotion feels dead. That's why stories change everything. In this video, you will follow one simple English-speaking story. You will shadow it, you will repeat it, and something strange will happen. Your mouth will move faster, your fear will go down, your voice will sound more natural. And this is only the beginning. Because in the next chapter, I will show you how this story practice really works and why your brain loves it. Chapter 2. Why stories make speaking easy. Most people never notice this. Our brain loves stories. Not rules, not lists, stories. Think about it. You remember movies, you remember scenes, you remember emotions. But grammar rules? They disappear. This is why story shadowing is powerful. You are not just speaking words. You are living a moment. Here's what you do. You choose a short English story. Very simple, very clear. You press play, and you speak with the speaker, not after. With them, at first it feels strange. Your tongue feels slow. Your brain feels busy. But here's the magic part. You do not stop. You do not correct. You move forward. This trains something important: flow. Most learners break flow every second. Flow creates fluency. Let me tell you something surprising. Your accent improves without trying. Your rhythm improves without studying. Why? Because you copy sound, not letters. Stories give emotion. Emotion creates memory. After one session, you feel tired. That's good. That means your brain worked. After 3 days, something changes. You start predicting words. You start feeling sentences. And here's the strange part again. You stop translating. That is huge. In the next chapter, I will show you exactly how to do this practice step by step. No confusion, no pressure, just simple action. Chapter 3. How to do shadowing the right way. Let me show you what changed everything. Shadowing is not repeating after listening. It is speaking together. Step 1. Choose a short story, 1 to 2 minutes only. Step 2. Listen once. Do nothing, just listen. Step 3. Play it again. Now speak with it. Do not pause. Do not stop. Missed a word? Skip it. This is important. Skipping is better than stopping. Most people stop. That kills confidence. Speak softly if needed. Even whisper is fine. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is movement. Here's a small secret. Use your body, move your hand, nod your head. It feels silly, but it works. Your body helps memory. After one round, rest for 10 seconds. Then do it again. 3 rounds only. That's enough. But here's the part nobody does. After shadowing, speak alone. Tell the story again in your own words, simple words. Broken sentences are okay. This builds courage. By day 3, you will speak faster. By day 5, you will speak smoother. And by day 7, something amazing happens. Your fear drops. In the next chapter, I will explain what really changes after 7 days and why most people quit right before this moment. Chapter 4, What Changes After 7 Days. Day 1 feels hard. Day 2 feels messy. Most people quit here. But if you continue, day 3 feels lighter. You stop thinking about grammar. You start feeling sentences. Here's the strange part. Your mouth moves before your brain. That is fluency. Day 5 brings confidence. Not loud confidence, quiet confidence. You stop fearing mistakes. And day 7, you surprise yourself. You speak without panic. You finish sentences. This does not mean you are perfect. It means you are free, free to speak. Stories trained your brain to stay calm. Shadowing trained your mouth to move. Together, they changed your speaking habit. But there is one mistake that can stop progress, and most people do it without knowing. In the next chapter, I will show you this mistake and how to avoid it easily. Chapter 5, The One Mistake You Must Avoid. Most people change stories every day. Big mistake. Your brain needs repetition, not variety. Use one story for 3 days. Same voice, same speed. This builds deep memory. Another mistake? Practicing too long. 10 minutes is enough, more creates stress. Stress blocks speaking. Here's a strange truth. Short practice daily beats long practice weekly. Consistency wins. Also, don't record yourself too early. Wait until day 5. Why? Because hearing your voice too soon kills motivation. Trust the process. In the final chapter, I will tell you how to turn this into a daily habit, a habit that keeps your English alive. Chapter 6, Turn this into a daily habit. Choose one time daily. Same time, same place, morning or night. Your choice. Make it easy, no pressure. One story, 3 rounds, 10 minutes. That's it. If you miss a day, don't quit. Continue next day. Progress loves patience. This method works because it feels human, not academic. You speak like real people speak, and that is the goal. If this helped you, do not keep it secret. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below day 1 started. I will see you in the next video.